Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to change or how to get the best settings for the highest amount of FPS possible in your Call of Duty Warzone. And let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys want to do is you want to go and head over to settings. From settings you want to go down to graphics, and then from graphics you want to click on quality. Now from here you can go ahead and change it to either reset to recommended or just go ahead and click on minimum, either or. Reset to recommended is better if you have like mid-tier PC or like a low-tier PC, but like you can at least get like 60 FPS. But if you can't even get 60 FPS and you have it reset to recommended, then go ahead and just change it to minimum. And basically, once you do click set it to minimum, everything should be set to the lowest. But if it's not, go ahead and set everything, either turn it off and set it to the lowest, except for texture resolution. Texture resolution, go ahead and either leave it on low or normal, because one, if you do it very low, your game is going to look very bad and it's going to be almost unplayable. And yeah, once you go ahead and do that, make sure you have stuff like shader quality turned to low or even off if you're allowed to. And the final thing you're going to do is, once you have render resolution, right now it's locked because I'm not in full screen mode, I'm in windowed, but you will most likely be in full screen. But anyways, go ahead and go into full screen and make sure that this is set to the lowest value possible. Because the higher it is, like, or is it like more frames, it's going to basically drop. And once you do all of that, you should be good to go. There isn't really much you can do, and you can always play in windowed mode. Like, you can always play in windowed mode. It will make everything like better, but obviously it's going to be harder because you're not going to be able to see stuff. But it will make your game much smoother. And once you do try all of these settings, you will notice a big FPS boost, and you should be good to go. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.